real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think a new ransom. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Tryna get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick on the bone unless the bitch is my with a kiss on my lips like ah.
Always talking, I'm like, yeah, let them chat. I've been getting money, you know I can live with that. Legend in my city, winning, showed it on the map. And if I leave this tomorrow, they gon' quote it as a fact. I'm like, who that could stop me? Carbon copies on my timeline. Get up out your ego, learn to think with your divine mind. Main role in my movie, get that boot if you ain't acting right. Biting on my studies, rapping with some appetite. Better know where you at night. Ride around with that catch me flicking ashes, thumping funky at your traffic light. Tipping out my bottle, all in honor of my dead. Swear these want no drama on my mama, on your head. I was raised to be that way, you just can't hold it, G. Being a block, I'm on my pivot like I'm supposed to be. Clocking digits with them who been close to me. Pop it, then put it all in her ovaries. But I do my thing. I'm way too player for playing around, you know my language. Just send me that bread and I'm laying it down to hold my weight. They know my name when I'm moving through town and I don't lane switch. I'ma keep it that way till I lay in the ground, I do my thing. I'm way too player for playing around, you know my language. Just send me that bread and I'm laying it down to hold my weight. They know my name when I'm moving through town and I don't lane switch. I'ma keep it that way till I lay in the ground. Who gon' tell your tale if you don't leave no good impression? You ain't mad at me, look, you mad at your reflection. Working on my hoodoo, burning sage for my protection. But if that still don't work, you know we brought that. I ain't stressing, found my blessing in the lowest state. She tell me, Xavier, please come over, though she know it's late. I could've went and beat that down, instead I chose to wait. I been in my city, that ain't no debate. See, once you learn to drop your feelings, you might drop your ceilings. I talk to God about my dealings when it got my healings. Don't point my way with all that drama, I be about my commas. What's worse about your lack of papers, you ain't got no honor. But I do my thing, I'm way too player for playing around, you know my language. Just send me that bread and I'm laying it down to hold my weight. They know my name when I'm moving through town and I don't lane switch. I'ma keep it that way till I lay in the ground, I do my thing. I'm way too player for playing around, you know my language. Just send me that bread and I'm laying it down to hold my weight. They know my name when I'm moving through town and I don't lane switch. I'ma keep it that way till I lay in the ground.
Still West Side Pasadena. Are you lift shit some fans, huh? Hey, really got a plan, huh? But coming to some paper, you won't even lift your man up. I'm coming off the dribble, it's simple, I make them stand up. Come from where they sagging, now luxury, hold my pants up. I'm nasty, and if you should ask me, best about the city, ask my daughter why she dabbing. Got my name in their mouth while they songs in the drought. I know it's hard to get out, you should be closing your mouth. I told them only time would tell. They craving for attention, guess these didn't know me well. I say nada, don't reply unless it's about $1. Oh well, okay, ha 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 ha. All this local, just some local. I'm doing shows overseas, they don't know you. Hey, check the wristwatch, that's a rollie. Really making mine off rap, I'm the only that'll fall off. Just stood 10 toes, never fall young, finna ball off. And it's still West Side Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall young, finna ball off. And it's still West Side Pasadena. I'm the one from the pink house on Lost Robles. Wasn't shooting, man, we really got it off the shoulders. And that's for real. And ever since they took away money, been in my fields, I really started grinding and winning, got me a deal. And now I'm paid up. The times that we was down, guess it been made up. Started doing numbers, now these little paid us. So what? Set the bar so high that they can't touch. Really think it's jealousy, they mad that they ain't us. Hey, but that shit, man, I'm Gina Rays, we'll set a blaze. And I don't give a that you feel away. Word how you feel the worst way to kill a day. Focus on my paper, got direct deposit on the way. But hey, y'all can have the best in the city. I'm the best out this motherfucker, say it with me. Hey, y'all can have the best in the city. I'm the best out this motherfucker, say it with me. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena.
Okay, let's try this.
I wish I had eyes in the back of my head. I've been working on my pride, but the rest of me cares. Every time I feel alive, it be love in the air. You my sinner, don't fold like it's Vanity Fair. Every time that I be down, then I be running to you. It's ironic that I'm scared, but I'm calling you boo. Please don't ghost me, love me, hug me, hold me, see me, grow me. I see whole thing, bragging, boasting. To all of my working on my pride, I've been working on my pride, yeah. I've been really scared, but the really trying, yeah. Never bite my tongue when there's something on my mind, yeah. Baby, you a gem, I never leave you under mine, yeah. Prayer's just a phase and we get it back in line, yeah. Love, pray you stay around me forever and never leave me. We gon' get together forever, I know you need me. It ain't hard to love you, I promise that shit is easy. I can see the future so vivid, I think it's 3D. Stay the night forever and ever, I think I'm needy. Being my reflection, my mirror, I know you see me, need me, easy. Hug me, love me, trust me, love me, love me. About, what your dollar amount? Are you a boy scout? I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't get y'all. This shit kinda corny, motherfucker. Turn this shit off, bro. I can't rap how everybody else rap, bro. Everybody talking about how cars, clothes, chains, and money. That shit corny as fuck. I don't wanna rap about that corny. Motherfucker, I've been mortified, fortified, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war to that nigga, he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood life, now niggas doing dope lines. I'm running to the cops, exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Niggas get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it's sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We been trying to dodge shells before it landed on tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, it been scheming when the birth of a nation came from black. We all know it's black. Everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience.